Hello everyone, welcome back to Update. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? So today we are diving into an incredible opportunity brought to you by the Cisco free online course with the free certificates. So, which are one of the most in-demand areas in the technology, let's explore what the Cisco is offering and how it can transform your skill set, and also how we can apply for this course, and all the things are discussed in this video. So watch this video till end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, so where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first, let's talk little bit about the Cisco. Cisco Systems Inc. It is based in the San Jose, California, is a global leader in networking, cybersecurity, and digital transformation. Since its foundation in the 1984, Cisco has pioneered the innovation in the IoT, AI, and communication technologies. Did you know Cisco was one of the world's most valuable company during the dot-com era? It continues to lead and transform the industry globally, and now they are giving back with these free courses. So, overview of the free courses, that what makes this course special. Cisco's free online course are tailored for everyone from beginners to the professional levels. They are designed to equip with the practical skills in trending technologies like cybersecurity, data science, IoT, and let's break down those all four courses what they are offering for. Now, the course highlight, the first course we have the introduction to data science. So this course is an entry level point into the dynamic field of data science. It introduces you to the foundational concepts of data science, data analytics, and data engineering, explaining how these areas the shape industries today. And we'll also explore the machine learning is applied across the sectors like healthcare, business, and education, driving the decisions and as well as innovations also. The key topics that are covered in this course: the basics of the data science and its components, the roles of data analytics in extracting the actionable insights, the data engineering concepts like structuring and processing of the data, the real world applications of machine learning in shaping of this industry. Now, after completing this all modules, you will achieve these batches, the certification of this batches, that introduction to data science batch, and there are some of the other batches. So when you complete these four modules, and why to take this course? The demand for the data science professional is rapidly growing, with the companies seeking expert who can interrupt the data to drive the data-driven decisions. This course equips you with knowledge to explore the careers in the data-driven roles such as data analytics or machine learning engineers also. And I will also show you at the last that how you can enroll to this course. So watch this video till end. Now, second course that we do have, that is Introduction to the Cybersecurity. This course dives into the fundamental concepts of the cybersecurity. It highlights the importance of protecting the personal and as well as organizational data against the digital threats. You will also learn about the key challenges which are faced by the governments, companies, and the individuals in the cybersecurity landscape also. Now, the key topics that are covered in this, that fundamentals of this cybersecurity and its significance, common types of cyber threats and their impact, methods of protecting your digital life, and as well as preventing the data breaches also. Insights into the roles and as well as responsibilities of cybersecurity professionals. Now, if you complete these five modules, then you will achieve these batches. That is, you will have a cybersecurity, introduction to cybersecurity batch, and administration batches, and this remaining batches when you complete this all courses, and it is free, and the duration of this course of 6 hours, and the course level is of beginner level. You will also get to see the 7 labs in this course. Now, why to take this course? With increasing of the reliance of digital platform, cybersecurity experts are in high demand. Completing this course prepare you to tackle the challenges in securing the networks and as well as protecting of the sensitive information. And the way of career in the cybersecurity operations are IT and as well as risk management also. Now, the course 3 that we do have, Introduction to the IoT and Digital Transformation. This course explores the exciting world of the Internet of Things and how it revolutionizing the industries, and you will also learn about the how IoT paired with the technologies like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity is driving the digital transformation across the business also. Now, key topics that are covered in this course: the basics of IoT and its growing importance of the technology, appliance of the IoT in the industries like manufacturing, healthcare, environmental conservation also. This role of the data analytics and AI in IoT solutions, insights into the career opportunities in IoT and as well as related technologies. Now, once you complete this, so how many modules are 6 modules? So we will get achieve these batches also. The same thing, the duration of 6 hours, and it is a beginner level course. It is a free courses. Now, why to take this course? With over 26 billion devices connected globally, IoT is shaping how we live and work. This course is great starting point for everyone interested in the emerging technologies, offering the pathway into the roles such as IoT engineer also, AI consultant or digital transformation specialist. So I will also show at the last of the video that how you can enroll to all of these four courses. So watch this video till end. The last course, that is, you have computer hardware basics overview. This course introduces the core concepts of the computer hardware, covering the fundamentals of the devices we use every day. It can emphasize the understanding the components of computer, their functionality, and the basics troubleshooting techniques also. The key topics that you can learn from this: basics of computer hardware and its role in devices like smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles also. The key components of the hardware systems like processor, memory, storage devices, etc. How to troubleshoot and maintain this device from optimal performance. Now, the course is of 6 hours of duration. It is a beginner level course, and you can see this three labs are there in this course. Once you complete this three modules, you will achieve this batches: personal computer batch, and this remaining two batches also, and this computer hardware basics batch also. So why to take this course? Understanding the computer hardware is critical for everyone looking to start a career in IT. This course lays the foundation of the roles like IT support specialist, system administrator, or even more advanced career in the hardware engineers. Now, I will show you that how you can enroll to this course. So one of the course I can show you that how you can enroll. The same process for the remaining courses are also there. So first, press on get started with the self-paced learning course, and here you will go to the next page. If you have account in this, you can just directly log into that and you can enroll to this course. Or else, if you do not have an account, simply press on sign up button. So once you press on sign up button, you should create your account over here by giving your country name, state, your year of birth, and the month of birth. And once you give those things, and here you need to give your first name, the last name, and as well as email ID, the password. And the password requirements, you can see that it at least 6 characters, a lower case letters, uppercase letter, a numbers, at least one special letter. All these things should be entered in the password. Then you can create that whole strong password. And once you create your account, you need to log into that. And after your login, just simply press get started with the self-paced learning, and that's it. Your course gets started now. It is very simple, and the same process you can apply for this remaining courses are also. So why should you enroll to this course? So wondering that, first you will get a completely free, no hidden charges of the cost will be there in this course. A flexible learning that study at any time, anywhere. So you will also gain industry level skills that are highly sought after the employers also. Receive a verified certificate of completion to boost your resumes. Now, let's talk eligibility. These courses are open to everyone, whether you are a student, a professional, or just curious about the technology. They are something for you. Simply go ahead and do these courses. And that's all about today's video. I hope you are excited as I am about this fantastic opportunity. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know that which courses you are planning to take. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more amazing updates. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.